Today's episode is Dark Meowser steals museum property / grounded. Dark Meowser. Today we're going to the Walters Art Museum. No, I want Drake and Josh. We're going to the Walters Art Museum. That's final. Let's go to the car. We're here. Let's look around the museum. Dark Meowser, are you coming? Just a second, Dad. Okay, we'll wait for you in the other room. I'm going to steal museum property. I'm going to steal this muscle. Hey, that's museum property. Put that back right now. Just try to catch me, you loser. Get back here. Oh no, it's a dead end. Aha, there you are. Give me back that museum property right now. I'm taking you to your parents. Excuse me, sir. Is this your son? Yes, he's our son. Good, because I want to tell you what he did. What did he did this time? He stole museum property. Oh my god. Dark Meowser, how dare you stole museum property? You know you can go to jail for that. You're so lucky you're not in jail. That's it. You were grounded for 1, 9, 8, 2, 6 years. We are going home right now. Now to return this muscle back where it belongs. Go to your room right now.